first open the tire and then lose the ABS sensor bolt and the caliper board. In that case, you're not going to damage your ABS sensor because you are removing front strut bolts as well, because this is going to come back. In that case, you're going to save, it's not going to damage this wire. So of course from here as well, make it longer and then open the front strut bolts, 2 bolts. Strut bolts are open, then open the CV axle bolt. So you need a 30 socket, 12-point 30 socket. So just open it. Should be a snap-on or any other gun. Should be powerful. Open now. And then sometime you need to open the ball joint as well here. So in that case, I'm not able to pull out the CV axle shaft. I have to open the ball joint bolts and it's gonna come out easily. So I'm opening ball joint bolts. I just loosen ball joint bolts, 3 bolts. I took out one and lose 2 of them, and then pop out the CV axle from outside. And now I'm going to pop out from inside. From inside there is a bearing here. I tried a pray bar, but pray bar is not work for me. Now I'm going to use air hammer because I cannot open the bracket. This bolt is easy, the other bolt is under the CV axle. So we have to air hammer here and pull it out. Then this CV axle is go through this bracket and through the air transfer case. We are going to use air hammer soon to remove the CV axle from the bearing. Here you go guys, it's out now. I will show you. It's like really hard to take it out sometime. So we use air hammer and see, this is the old one and this is the new one. I'm comparing, it's the same. So I'm gonna put it back now. New axle is in now. It's easy to slide in, however it's really difficult to take it out. Sometime you have to use air gun. Now don't forget to put the outer seal. Put this one. Show you guys the seal is in as well. So make sure the seal should be in too. Nicely in. It is perfectly in inside and from the outside as well. So I'm going to tight the last ball here. Finally, I'm gonna tie the last ball and I'm gonna introduce last thing. So please, I'm not advertising anything for snap-on or whatever, but please use the snap-on tools and gun, whatever is lifetime warranty. Some tools and work like crazy. Make sure finish your apprentice, then buy snap-on, all snap-on tools. So now I'm gonna tight the ball. Finally it is done, guys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you again.